Good morning, my name's Dr. Jeremy McAnulty from New South Wales Health. I'm here with a COVID update for New South Wales for Friday the 7th of January 2022. Across New South Wales, 95.1% of people aged 16 years and over have now received their first dose of COVID vaccine, and 93.6% have received 2 doses. Of people aged 12 to 15 years, 81.4% have received a first dose and 78.1% have received 2 doses. In terms of hospitalisations, there are currently 1,738 COVID cases admitted to hospital, with 134 people in intensive care, 33 of whom require ventilation. There were 38,625 cases of COVID reported in New South Wales in the 24 hours to 8 o'clock last night. In the same period, there were more than 112,000 tests reported. Sadly, New South Wales Health is reporting the deaths of 11 people with COVID, 6 men and 5 women, aged in their 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s and 90s. 3 people were from northern New South Wales, 3 from southeastern Sydney, 1 person was from western Sydney, 1 from southwestern Sydney, 1 from northern Sydney, 1 person was from Port Stephens and 1 person was from the Lake Macquarie area. We'd like to express our sincere condolences to the family and loved ones of these people who sadly died. We continue to see many unvaccinated people in ICU, including young people. It's a reminder to everyone across New South Wales to get vaccinated now if you're not yet done so. So get your first dose, make sure you have the second dose when it's due. And we've been working with vaccine providers across the state in preparation for the rollout of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine to children aged 5 to 11 years of age, which begins next Monday, January 10. New South Wales Health is encouraging parents and caregivers to make a booking for the vaccination at any of the New South Wales Health vaccination clinics, in addition to general practitioners and community pharmacies who will continue to deliver the majority of vaccinations across New South Wales. New South Wales booster program continues to ramp up as more people become eligible for the booster shot. And New South Wales Health has already delivered more than 250,000 booster doses and to help keep people safe and the community levels of immunity boosted. Booster doses are now available for people aged 18 years and over who are eligible if they've had their second dose more than 4 months ago. So we urge people to get their booster dose as soon as they're eligible to best protect everyone in the community, themselves and their loved ones. And we strongly recommend that people aged 12 years and over who are severely immunocompromised have a third primary dose of vaccine from 2 months after their second dose of the vaccine. So as many of us are preparing to come back to work from holidays, just a reminder of the importance of wearing masks. Masks are compulsory for people aged over 12 in all indoor non-residential settings, including hospitality staff and in offices, unless you're eating and drinking. Masks are very effective in helping protect yourself and those around you from catching and spreading COVID-19. And employers should allow employees to work from home if it's reasonably practical to do so. If you can't work from home and you go into your workplace, please wear a mask at all times. And we're encouraging people to work from home where it's practical to do so. This will help minimise the number of people who travel to and from work and who are in the office. So practising the other COVID-safe behaviours, including good hand hygiene with regular hand washing or sanitising your hand, and keeping physically distancing. And if you're unwell with any symptoms that might be COVID, please protect others by not going out, not going to work, shopping or socialising, and isolate until you get a negative result. So thanks very much to everyone for continuing to keep us all safe as possible by getting vaccinated, by getting tested and isolating if you have any symptoms at all. Thanks again.